Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10. There are a few solutions. I hope one of them will be helpful for you guys. So let me show you then. The first one is go to taskbar, make a right click, and then click on taskbar settings. Then scroll down a bit. Use the notification area. Choose the second option which says turn system icons on or off. Click on it. Then make sure the network is on. So right now it is on. You see the Wi-Fi icon is here, but if I turn it off, then the Wi-Fi icon is now gone. Even if I check the hidden icons here, there is no Wi-Fi icon. So make sure the network icon is turned on, and sometime that fixes the issue. So if that doesn't work, then let me show you the second step. Go to search box over here, type services, and click on it. Now we have to find WLAN autoconfig, so just type WL and then you will see here. Now make a right click and then click on properties. Now if the service status is not running, then make sure you click on start and then select the startup type as automatic, and then you click on apply over here and then click on OK, and then check the Wi-Fi icon. If that doesn't work, the next method is go to search box, type configuration, and then you see here system configuration. Click on it, click on services, this one, and then make sure all the services are enabled. If few services are not enabled, then this enable all box will be highlighted. You click on it and then you click on apply and then you click on OK, and then restart your computer and check the Wi-Fi. The next one is go to the start menu over here, make a right click, and then you see the device manager, and then you click on it and then you will see here the device manager. For some people they prefer like this to go to device manager. Another way is go to search box and type device, and then you see here device manager. Click on it and then you will see the device manager. Now go to network adapters, you expand it, and this is my Wi-Fi adapter. You must know your Wi-Fi adapter. In my case it is Realtek, and for some people it might be Intel or any other. Make a right click on it and then you go to click on update driver, and then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, this one, and then this is my adapter, and then you click on next, and it will show. It might take a few seconds and it will show Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then you close it and then you can check the Wi-Fi. Still, if it doesn't work, then go to search box and type device manager and then click on it, and then go to network adapters, expand it, and then click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Make a right click over here and then this time click on uninstall device. Put a check on the box which says delete the driver software for this device, and then click on uninstall and then restart your system. When you restart it, it will be automatically reinstalled. But before you uninstall it, make sure you have the Wi-Fi password, because when you restart your system, it will ask you the password. Now in case if nothing works, then the last solution that I know is install the driver from the manufacturer's website. So if you have a Dell computer, Dell laptop, then go to Dell website. If you have a HP, then go to HP website, and whatever the brand that you have, go to that website. Now I understand it's not possible right now because your Wi-Fi is not working. You cannot find that, but in that case what you can do is, if you have an Ethernet port on your laptop or an Ethernet cable, then you can use that and then download it. But if that's not possible, then you need another computer. Maybe take help from a family member or a friend and a USB flash drive. So what you can do is insert the USB flash drive to that another computer and download the driver from the manufacturer's website, and then copy the file and transfer it to the USB flash drive, and take out that USB flash drive from that computer and insert to your computer, and then you can install the driver from that file. And I'm going to show you how to download that quickly. So let me just show you randomly for the, let's say for the Dell. Now you search for your model number, and I'm just going to show you randomly any model number. So let me just select it, and we have to download the Wi-Fi driver. So this is the one. Now you click on download, and then once this file is done, then you can copy it and transfer it to the USB flash drive, and then take out the USB flash drive from that computer and insert it to your computer, and then install the driver from the file. So, and then after that, restart your computer. So I hope one of these solutions help you to fix the issue. And that's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, then you can like, comment, and please subscribe to the channel.